Hi guys, welcome to our channel Let's Resin. Christmas is super close now and people are getting busy sourcing Christmas decorations. We think our snowflake molds would be perfect for the holiday tree decoration. Fold your string lights into the snowflake shape. You can take one of the bigger snowflake as a reference. You may need to wrap it back and forth several times to hold the string lights in place. Place the string lights in the big snowflake mold. You're gonna need some of epoxy resin, and we use our own less resin bubble-free epoxy resin to make sure the bubble won't destroy the small resin objects. Slowly mix it so that there won't be too much bubbles. If you want a white snow effect, then the opaque pigment paste is a perfect choice. Mix it with epoxy resin and you will get a cup of opaque white resin. Add some blue alcohol inks and mix it with epoxy resin. We will use it as the main body part of the snowflake. Pour the white resin in the middle of snowflake mold. Then, pour a deep blue resin into the corner of this mold. Please be aware that you need to gently squeeze the angular of the snowflake molds after the resin was poured to make sure there won't be bubbles hiding in the corner. And then, the light blue. At last, pour a layer of transparent resin so that the snowflake can obtain a gradient blue effect. Don't waste your white resin, guys. You can use it on small snowflakes. And here is a little tip for you to prevent ripping off your bigger snowflake mold. Slowly pull the snowflake angular out first and then start to demold other parts of the mold. If you want a little different decor for a snowflake, or you just want to enhance the Christmas vibe, you can add some Santa reindeer decor to fix it with UV resin. Squeeze out a little UV resin on the middle of the snowflake. Take one of those little snowflakes and put it on the UV resin. Cure the UV resin with a UV lamp for like 1 minute. Because the small snowflake is not transparent, thus the UV lights are not easy to get through it. So you will need a longer time to fix it to the bigger snowflake. At this step, you can still add the decor you want. We used a little Santa to elevate the holiday atmosphere. If you want to hang it on your tree or wall, you will need a hand drill. Insert the screw inside the hose. Hide the switch of the string lights in the back of the snowflake and fix it with UV resin. And then, fix small snowflake on the transparent thread with UV resin. Finally, all done. Does your Christmas tree ready for it? You can make more kinds of decor and DIY to make your Christmas meaningful.